How to log into your friend's account? Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in your friends and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, your friends, open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, at the top right, you're going to see the option of login. Go ahead and click on it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Once you're in the login page, now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. So go ahead and type in your email or flying blue number. After you type in that, click on continue, and in the next page you will need to type in your password and click on done. Just for that, you will be logged into your account. In the case you are having any issues logging into your account, you can click on the option of need help and go through the process. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of create your account and go through the process. So this way you can easily log into your friends. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.